Right, so I'm going to use this tool called Journalist AI to generate articles for the dog grooming niche. And I'm going to use their 4 different generation modes. Actually, let's do for the plumbing niche, right? So all this was done through AI, even the images, right? All these, I can skim through these. The interactive table of contents as well, right? The key takeaways here with bullets, the article structuring with trees, bullet out words, internal links, external links, in-article images, also in-article videos that are relevant to to what the article is about, as well as the section in which they're included in. More videos, more links, more images, and also down here a call to action to this business site, right? So the whole goal is to get people to, in this case, call the business up, and down here FAQ. So I can just skim through these. I can publish them to my WordPress site if I'd like, all these manually, or I can just click here and publish all to integration, and all 5 will be published. Now, if I want to go a step further and essentially automate the whole process so that Journalist generates, right? Journalist connects to my WordPress site, it generates and then also automatically publishes the articles. What I do, it's pretty straightforward. Just go here to integrations, new integration, right? Click here to connect with my WordPress site. It's pretty straightforward how you fill this out. You can even connect with Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, Zapier, or even an external API. So it takes like 30 seconds. And once that's connected, just go to autoblog, new autoblog. And what you can do, as you can see here, you can select how many blog posts, right, you want to be posted every single month, week, day, or every 12 or 6 hours. So again, you're connecting Journalist AI with your blog, right? And Journalist AI is generating plus publishing. In this case, we can do 5 articles every single week, right? And again, all these articles, right, these are individual articles, right? If we expand on one of these articles, they will all be like the ones that I just showed you like a second ago, with a featured image, a table of contents, proper content structuring with H2s, H3s, in-article images relevant to what the content is about, in-article videos as well, bullets, tables, internal links, so linking out to other blog posts of yours, maybe linking out to your homepage or other pages on your site, external links, so linking out to other authoritative sources in your niche, it's very important for SEO, and down here, a call to action. In the case that I just showed you a second ago, it was a plumbing site, so it linked out to their contact us page on their site. So a call to action to booking a call with them, to hiring a plumber. Now, if you have, for example, a Shopify store, we'd link out to your products. So also, I want to mention that this isn't randomly placed here, right? We place this in here in a way that makes sense, in a contextual manner. But again, the best way for you to try this is to test it out. I'll leave a link for this in the description. It's tryjournalist.com. I'll also leave it in the pinned comment down below. Now, I guess on top of that, you can also use this tool. Before I show you the generation modes, you can also do keyword research with this. If you go here, I'll show you here, right here, real quick. Just input your URL, language, country, and we'll analyze your competitors in your niche, and we'll come up with keywords that have low SEO difficulty, so that they are easy to rank for or easier, and some keywords with some decent search volumes. You can just select the ones you want and have Journalist again publish content for you. Now, you can also index the content. So all in all, if you just connect Journalist AI with your site, right, Journalist is going to be generating plus publishing plus indexing the content for you, plus, I forgot this one, doing the keyword research for you. All of this on autopilot. So it's pretty cool. But let's break down all of these generation modes one by one. Also, you can connect even your brand. So once you connect your brand right here, if you connect your brand to Journalist AI, essentially, real quick, a brand has multiple assets, a YouTube channel, a website, for example, your LinkedIn, some audio documents, some written documents, text documents, whatever. All these are your brand's assets, right? And because you can connect, these brand's assets with, that's an A, with Journalist AI, right? Journalist AI will learn how your brand speaks, right? And so the content that's produced isn't just some generic content, right? It's brand tailored content with your brand's images, your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerism. So it's pretty cool. But let's just jump in here and start generating articles. Now we have the simple mode, titles mode, keywords mode. Let's just generate them one by one. So let's say my business URL is www.doggrooming.com. I have no idea if this domain exists, but I probably need to check because I want to make this a proper video right here. So let's just do this, dog grooming, and let's do NYC, right? Real quick here. And let's just pick one of these. Let's just do... let's just do, let's just do this one, right? Let's say this is our site right here. We're going to take it, right? Paste it in here. Now, the description, let's go to the About Us real quick here and take this here and paste it in here. And now we can choose how many articles we want to generate, right? You can choose the language, right? And in this case, this is a dog grooming in New York City. But for example, if they're targeting some neighborhoods or some places around there that in which their first language isn't English, maybe it's Spanish, we can also write in Spanish, right? So it's pretty cool if you're targeting these international markets. Even if your business is in the US, you can do this as well. So let's just do 3 right now, hit generate, and let's just wait for this to generate. While that does generate, we go here to generate articles again and go to titles mode, right? Here is where we give it a couple of titles, and let's just do this, right? Let's give it this title right here and have it generate 1 article. Click generate real quick here. There we go. And now again, generate articles. Keyword mode, let's just do how to groom, how to groom a golden retriever. Hopefully, I don't know if that's, not even close. Okay, and let's just do generate. And now I did want to show you, of course, the advanced mode, because this is where things get fun, because we can just create a preset here. Actually, let me show you the preset that I created before. And let's just actually go to presets right here and click edit. So this is where the fun begins, because you have so much more control over the content output, right? You go to create a preset, and then you go to generate articles again, advanced mode, select the preset you just created, and click generate. Now I do want to show you, of course, the preset right here. So if you go here, right here, and I want to go step by step, one by one. So in this case, my preset, step 1, I chose the generation mode be specific titles, and I gave it a couple of titles. How to groom a golden retriever grooming 101, 10 steps to properly groom a golden retriever. I could have chosen keyword mode, business description, doesn't really matter. I chose this one. Now I didn't attach the brand, but you could have done this. So the content is more tailored to your brand. You could have done this. I'd recommend you do it. But moving on to step 2. I chose language. I did choose the creativity level more original creative, because I think it makes more sense according to the niche, because golden retrievers are more playful, and I think it makes sense. But again, you can play around with this. Tone of voice, I didn't change it, but you can put neutral, funny, informal, academic. You can even put dog voice. We're gonna come up with some weird stuff right here. You can change the point of view. I like to write them in the first person singular. I think it makes more sense. And you can set up some custom instructions right here. I have a video on how these work. I won't detail them right now too much here. But essentially, these custom instructions affect the paragraphs under each H3, right? But if you have any questions, there's hopefully the video before this one tackles how these work, right? Then structure, moving on, I added my call to action right here. So this isn't the same website actually, but I added my call to action here. So at the bottom of each article, like I explained before, it's going to be a call to action to this page where people can book a call or a time to groom their dog, right? I can automate the headings, right? I can enable key takeaways and I can enable FAQs, or I can do these manually if I like, but I just automate them for now. Internal linking, so this is where I add my sitemap URL so that the article produced has links inside of it linking out to other pages on my site. Super, super important right here. External linking is just enable this, right? And we'll scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. So enable this and it's done. You can even add manual ones if you like. I won't do this right now. Images, you can choose from stock photos, Google Access free photos, even your own custom images, or these 2 AI models. I recommend you choose this one because it's the best one. You can enable or disable featured image as well as the in-article images. I recommend you enable all these. And videos, of course, just by enabling this button, every article you generate will go on YouTube and find what's the best or the most relevant video we can add to the article body right here. And so we just enable this, or if you disable it, you can add them manually, right? Enable it, save. And so now with that said, let's just go back to generate articles, advanced mode, select our preset and generate 3 articles. Click generate. Now let's take a look at what we've generated so far. So these right here are all the ones. So this is the title mode, the keyword mode, and I don't think we did generate the, this, so it looks like it didn't generate the description mode. So let's do it again. Go to generate articles again real quick here. Let's just go here, copy this. Not sure why that is, but let's just copy this, and our business URL is this one right here. There we go. And let's do this and click generate here. And so we should be good to go. If we go to the history tab now, so now we have the title generation, we have the keyword generation, we have the preset right here, it should say preset, and we have the context generation. So let's take a look here at the title generation real quick here. We're free, dog boarding, NYC, right? All this with that, I can change them if I like. A table of contents, right? Interactive key takeaways, As we can see here, tables, bullets. Now, these don't have in-article images nor in-article links, not any of that. They do have quotes. They don't have links nor call to action because it is a simple mode, right? So do take that in mind. But still, the article looks great, and I can just post it to my integration. Now, let's take a look here real quick at the keyword mode. Again, these won't have links, these won't have anything, but you will have images, right? As you can see here, properly structured. I can just post it to my site as well. Now, what I do want to take a look at here real quick is this one, right? This is the one that we want to see. These are the rich articles. So let's see, how to groom a golden retriever. This looks beautiful. Key takeaways, right? In-article links, in-article images, more links, in-article videos. So a actual tailored video to grooming your golden retriever, right? So all these key takeaways, and down here, full service, which is a call to action to our page right here. We can book a visit, make a reservation, and have our dog groomed. And again, we can skim through these, we can click next and post them all to our integration. So this is why I did want to show you all these modes. I did want, to show you all these modes because they're really, really different. You can use the simple modes to play around, right? This, and this one to play around and test stuff. But the real stuff is here in the advanced mode. This is where you're actually going to build very, very powerful articles. I don't even need to wait for these ones to generate because, I mean, I can just show you this, the context one, because we won't have links, it won't have images, it won't have anything, right? Just a blend one, right? So, but do take into account that when you're using Journalist AI, use the advanced mode. Play around with these ones, but use the advanced mode because that's where all the fun is, and that's where you're able to create these beautiful articles, right? Beautiful articles that you can just post straight to your site with links, bullets, all these images. They look beautiful. That's it. That's the testing. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.